In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts list to GoHighLevel 2026. We're going to walk through the exact process to bring your contacts into GoHighLevel quickly and safely. Before you start, it helps to have your spreadsheet saved as a CSV with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone. Clean up duplicates where possible, and make sure you have permission to contact everyone on your list. Begin inside your GoHighLevel account and head to the Contacts area from the main sidebar. This is your central hub for people in your database. In the top corner, choose Import to launch the Import Wizard. You'll see a quick introduction screen. Go ahead and click Next to proceed. When prompted to choose how the system should handle your file, select Create and Update Contacts. This option adds new people who aren't in your account yet and updates existing records when a match is found, which is ideal for ongoing list maintenance. Now upload your file. You can drag it into the uploader or browse your computer to select it. Give the system a moment to process the file name and preview. If your file uses headers, the wizard will usually detect them automatically, which makes mapping easier. Click Next to start mapping your columns. This is where you tell GoHighLevel which column in your CSV corresponds to which contact field. Map your name fields, then match the email column to the email field and the phone column to the phone field. If your phone numbers don't include a country code, consider normalizing those in your spreadsheet beforehand, so texting and calling work as expected. For any columns you don't need, leave them unmapped. If you have custom data, map it to an existing custom field or choose to create one if the option is visible in your account. Once your key fields are aligned, click Next. You'll land on customization settings for the import. Here you can fine-tune options like how duplicates are identified, commonly by email or phone, and whether to apply tags, set a contact source, or assign an owner. Use tags to segment your list for future campaigns, and be mindful of automation triggers tied to tags so you don't start sequences unintentionally. Everything set? Start the process by clicking Start Bulk Import. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it finishes, the system will show a summary with any errors or skipped rows. Review those notices, fix issues in your CSV if needed, and re-import just the corrected records. That's it. Your contacts are now in GoHighLevel, neatly mapped, deduplicated, and ready for campaigns. After importing, spot check a few records to confirm fields look right